a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like Martin.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from our faves over at LuvMe Hair. They sent over one of their units by the name of Parting Max Glueless Wig, Chestnut Brown Highlights, a Funmi Curly 7x6 Closure HD Lace Wig. This is how Miss Girl is looking in person, and they do offer this unit in 16 all the way down to 24 inches. I'm thinking I received the 24 inch, but it might be the 22 inch, but I want to say it's a 24 inch. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It does not have adjustable straps, but it does have a silicone strip here in the back for extra grip. It also comes with a pre-attached elastic band or security band, whichever one you want to call it, that you can adjust. The inside of this cap is really interesting to me. It does have like the breathable portion, but then it also has like the mesh portion as well. And I don't know, like just basing off of the stretch of this, I feel like this unit is for sure going to be big head friendly. The lace space for this unit again is a 7x6, meaning you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space. According to the website, this unit is supposed to come with pre-bleached knots. Now in my opinion, you can tell that the knots have been pre-bleached, but at the same time I do think that I could go in and bleach them again, but I'm not going to today. It doesn't say anything about this unit coming with the pre-plucked hairline, but in my opinion it does look like it's been slightly pre-plucked. Also, you can get this unit with pre-cut lace. Now mine did not come that way, mine still has the lace intact, but just know if you do choose that option, it'll be an additional $5. Today's install is going to be a straight out of the box install. That way you guys know that like what you're seeing is what you get. So I'm gonna stop jacking my jaws, I'm gonna go ahead and install her, and then of course I'm gonna come back at the end with all of my final thoughts.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense, speaking out of context. People need some content, niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven said, God said, at least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe it. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the phone, but I love me a bitch. The only thing that shit my secret. Trying to dish me, blow up my people. I can't respond with this do it for people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shit for one being. I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the little fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goon, but I fit the description. I like the boom, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bears, and I bet you this gun ain't gon' chill. When I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the hit, I'm just chillin'. But I seen the hit while I chill with my children. The big in the business, the big in the office. I fuck around and found me a stress, and I call up, they call for my artists, they making me an office. I don't even bargain, I start from the
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Starting with my cons first. Well, con, there is no S, there's just one, and that would be that this unit does shed a little bit. Now granted, I did notice most of the shedding happening before I even put the unit on, and I'm not really sure if it's because the unit was just shedding or if it's because this unit was slightly pre-plucked. Now if it was due to it being pre-plucked, then I mean shedding is going to happen because obviously that's hair being ripped from the lace. But if it's not, then it's just like just be mindful of that. Everything else about the unit for me is a pro. The fit of this unit is really nice. She's not snug. I would say that she's like just right. If you are new here, I do consider myself a part of the like big head community. So if you do consider yourself a part of like the smaller head community, this might not be the unit for you, seeing as how this unit doesn't have adjustable straps. For the texture of this unit, I'm really liking the 150% density. At first, I was thinking it was going to be like a little bit on the thinner side, but no, once you fluff out the curls, yeah, she looks bomb. It gives that illusion of looking very full, but yet it's also very lightweight. I also really like how the highlights on this unit are more so concentrated towards like the top of the unit. So in a way, you kind of like get like a nice soft ombre effect, if you will. I personally feel like I'm getting really good at learning how to like cut curly units to fit my face. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it layers nicely, it flows nicely. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I'm getting better and better at learning how to cut my curly units, and I love that for me. But yeah, I really don't have too much to say about this unit. You guys let me know what you think and how you feel about her down in the comment section below. If you find that you like this unit or any unit on their website, don't forget to use my code Dotson. That should save you, I want to say 28% off of their entire website. But yeah, my alarm clock just went off, so that means it is time for me to go get my kiddos. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the comment section below, or the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.